Hey everyone, it's Zinnia here. Today I wanted to make an art tutorial and show you how you can make drawings in Scratch using transparent colors. You might know that it's possible to create gradients in Scratch, but I'll show you a trick to make completely transparent shapes. So the first thing to do is hover over this button that says Choose a Sprite and click Paint, because we're going to paint a sprite. So let's pick a color for the transparent object that we're going to draw. I will draw a little transparent flame as an example, transparent orange flame. So I'll set the color to orange. Obviously you can set it to whatever you want. And I will click on the rectangle tool to draw out a rectangle. Actually, I am going to delete that one and click on the outline and remove the outline by clicking here. So I'll click on the rectangle tool and drag out a rectangle to fill the entire screen, just a huge rectangle. And now I'll click on the fill again, and I will set it to have a gradient, but instead of going from orange to pink or something like that, you can click here for the second color in the gradient. And now it's a gradient from orange to a transparent color. But we can even do better than this, because this sort of, you can see the gradient effect, but we would like it to just be one solid transparent color. And here's a trick for how to do that. So I'll click on the point editing tool, the Reshape tool, which lets you click on a shape and edit the points of it. So I'm going to click and drag the corners of this shape to create a little small square that is just a little transparent section of the giant gradient. And now I can click on this main selection tool again. And now I have this little transparent square, and I can just drag it up to a larger size. And now we have this large transparent shape to work with. And you can use the point editing tool to shape it into the object you want. So I wanted a little flame, so I can drag in these angular points into sort of the shape that I want for the flame, dragging them inward. And then I actually want the bottom of the flame to be curved. And I can do that by clicking on that point and clicking curved to make it a curved point. And, maybe I'll drag the points around a bit. I could click here to add a point there and play with these handles to change the curve around that point. So I'll drag this one inward maybe, and I'll drag this one this way. I could make this point curved too. I should definitely make a tutorial on how to use the point editor in Scratch at some point. But anyway, I'm pretty pleased with that. That's my little flame. And as you can see, it is transparent. I could even add a little yellow core at the middle of it that isn't transparent. And to do that, I just have to click on fill again and change it off of gradient, change it to solid color, and then change that color to some kind of yellow. And I could drag out a little circle in the middle to give it a little yellow core. I could also make that a transparent yellow if I wanted to, using that method from before. But anyway, now we have our little flame. It's actually kind of big, so maybe I'll make it a bit smaller, like size 60 or something like that. But you have an object that has a transparent color in it. And you could put it anywhere in your project. You could click on the code tab and, add code to it. But yeah, that's basically what I wanted to show you. I hope that you can use this to make all of the transparent objects that you'd like in any of your projects. I'll see you next time, and scratch on!